Hello. Can you name all the colors in English? Let's learn and say them together.
What color is this?
It's red. It's red.
What color is this?
It's yellow. It's yellow.
What color is this?
It's green. It's green.
What color is this?
It's blue. It's blue.
What color is this?
It's pink. It's pink.
What color is this?
It's gray. It's gray.
What color is this?
It's white. It's white.
What color is this?
It's black. It's black.
What color is this?
It's purple. It's purple.
What color is this?
It's orange. It's orange.
What color is this?
It's brown. It's brown.
Let's review.
What color is this?
It's red.
What color is this?
It's orange.
What color is this?
It's blue.
What color is this?
It's purple.
What color is this?
It's green.
What color is this?
It's yellow.
What color is this?
It's gray.
What color is this?
It's brown.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next one.